One thing I want to tell you people. Remember, last year, this year, I told the people in Alaba International Market. I told the Igbos in Alaba International Market some time ago that by the end of March, they should start to buckle up pack their load and start relocating to the eastern Nigeria. How many of you, so some of you may remember when I was making that warning. Of course, because some of this warning we are making, some of this revelation we are making, some of these things we are making, we are saying, most of these terrorists and their agents, they are not that all stupid like the security part of them, the army and the police. They are not as stupid as them. So all this shouting and the revelation we are revealing, whatever we are revealing to the public, of course, they are considering it. Even if the attack should have happened or should have started from February, like I said in those videos, of course they have to delay it because they don't know where the information is coming from. They don't know where the information is leaking. They don't know how we get the information about their plan. So of course it is affecting and delaying their attack they want to attack. But we know everything that is going on. When this explosion happened in Lagos, we, the Biafra agitators, were the first, even without anything, to say it was a bomb blast and it was an attack. And today, everybody is singing the same music like us, even when we are not in Nigeria. And today, the eyewitness, the victims, are saying the same thing. So we are like 1,000 miles ahead of people in Nigeria. And that is to show you how serious we are. That is to show you how serious and committed we are in Biafra struggle. So this is a struggle of intellectual, this is an intellectual struggle, this is physical struggle, and this is mental struggle. So it is the weapon we are using against Nigeria government now is something that there is no way, there is no solution, there is nothing they can do to stop us. And we are causing more damage in Nigeria than throwing atomic bomb or atomic missile physically or anything. What we are doing is exposing them, and like Nnamdi Kanu said, by the time we will start our own hostility, if Biafra is not given in peace, nobody around the world, no international community will say, you people did not tell us. So that is by the way. But what I'm trying to tell you people now is that after this bomb attack, because you don't need to be there, we don't need to be in Nigeria to tell you that what happened in Lagos was bomb attack. But then I want to show you one thing. This thing I want to show you now is a video of one of our brother, one Biafran, who went to that place and saw the aftermath of this bomb by himself and confirmed also. So I'm going to show you. This is the video of the part of the affected place, because of course the bomb rocked. This is about maybe over 1,000 kilos of explosive that was detonated there. And according to the eyewitness, according to the people living in that place, the bomb was planted in 3 different places. 3 different places in Yoruba land. 3 different places. And this was targeted at Christians and Igbos in Lagos. Igbo community, this is a community where you have the highest or more Igbos in this area. And when you look at this, you will find out that like from the beginning, immediately the bomb exploded, I told Nigerians that this is not pipeline. Now listen to this, our brother. And I apologize because he's speaking Igbo, but I'm going to give you a brief of what he's talking about.
More than 300 buildings that are there.
He's saying that over 300 buildings were leveled by the explosion.
Is a lie. Even the police confirm that this is not pipeline explosion. Even the army in Ojo cantonments, they confirm that this is pure bomb. Then when I was consulting the people living in the neighborhood, I went out that now this is not pipeline explosion because they were aware that the bomb.
Good evening, Charles Kezia. Thank you for joining me.
Security in Lagos. Now, they go to Lagos State that there is no security in Lagos State. I bet Lagos State are rich.
Like I said, for those of you who do not understand Igbo language, I am sorry. I am going to interpret and give you the brief analysis or summary of what he's talking about after this video. He said that over 1,000 persons lost their life in this explosion.
Nigeria is a zoo. Nigeria is a zoo. Nigeria is a forest. It's a desert. Nigeria is a no man.
James the Young, morning. Thank you for joining me.
Nigeria identify. Nigeria a place of non-living thing. So Hebrew believe when they come Nigeria, come one Nigeria. Shame on you. He believe when they come one Nigeria. That is what the country have been saying for long. Let us unite ourselves and join hands together and fight for what belongs to us. Look at in Angola. In Angola, the first country goes away ban the worship of Islam. Nigeria.
Thank you, Unique Petite, for joining me this late. My own Unique Petite.
Yes, I went there by myself. I see this for myself. Even the Sanwo-Olu, the governor of Lagos State, was there to witness everything. Including the police, armies, navies, they confirmed this thing that this is not pipeline explosion. And I say, and I give one grammatical name to qualify their line, that not pipeline explosion. Today, both as Panda, Madrid, Fame, Abalogu, only necessary. They don't know about 1,000, the man had 1,000. I mean, they don't know about 100. We say more than 300 and something buildings collapsed. 4 was burnt in ashes.
Anybody saying that it was a gas pipeline explosion, that was a fake news. That is wrong. It was not a pipeline explosion. It was bomb explosion. 3 different bombs were planted in that area and it wrought this havoc you are looking at, or you will watch in few seconds. Now, you are looking at the scene. This is the aftermath of the bomb. What do you think that it is a pipeline explosion? And according to the people, there is not even a single pipeline in that place. In this place, there is no single pipeline. Are you people seeing it? Is there anything like pipeline in this place? Like somebody commented that it looked like Syria. Exactly like Syria. And this is how the bombs, aftermath of bomb, this is exactly the way it looks like. Thank you, Emeka from Sweden, for joining me. So, as you look at that place now, there is nothing like pipeline. Have you seen it? So, when we are saying that it is time for you people to understand what is going on in Nigeria, that these people, you see, these Fulanese and Hausa people, when we tell you, sometime either this year, the beginning of this year, or the end of last year, I came to warn Igbos, Biafrans, doing business in this place now where this thing exploded. I warned them. And like I said, more of this is coming.